a man with a gun over there. Telling me I got to beware. Trying to stop children, what's that sound?
Interior, good interior. Stereo, stock, really good custom stereo. It's the Buick Regal Custom. It's got Bose speakers in it. Buttons on the steering wheel. Fully electronic. There's only two real problems. That's the deer hitting the hood and the little bit of rust.
What a field day for the heat.
There's a rust hole. It's got a good engine in it. It's 3800. Big trunk.
And the carry inside.
Custom.
Mr. Safety. It's time to stop.
It's got a big trunk. It's got the big trunk. See that in there? Tinted rear windows. Gotta open the hood under here, but it's good. It's idiot proof. It's clean inside. Good running. It runs good if I can figure out the ground. There's a ground wire that's disconnected. I don't know where it is, but all the doors work. It's locked right now, but gotta unlock it. But, yep, 800, the best offer. Call me at 989-731-4888.